First, we're going to be needing, for this simple little craft, we're going to be using a pink or red Valentine's Day paper that you're going to use for our craft today. And Elmer's glue, some cut up paper things, and let's get into it. So first we're going to be taking our glue and making a heart shape. And taking the little papers. 1, 2. And you're going to do this all the way around, and I'll teach you guys a nice little thing to write. I'm done. Thank you. So this is the ending product, and I'm really happy with it. It's not completely dry, but I will use my example to write what I'm going to write in it. So this is what I'm done with, and I got a Sharpie so we can write what we're going to write. So if it's to your friend, you would say, to my friend. To my friend, their name. So I'm gonna do my friend's name. To my friend Beatrice. From Ava. Done. So you should write something passionate in it, sometimes a poem if you would like. And I think they'd really appreciate this card, and make sure you hit that love button. Thank you.